Hi everyone. Today I am Wan Xiu Yu. Then I would like to present my assignment about BAIT 2004 Fundamental of Computer Network. Next, this is this is the area that we need to configure the network. In this area, we have the four different buildings, which is building A, B, C, and D. The distance between each building are different. We are collaborating on establishing a local area network for Sri Muda Go Sdn Berhad, a new food processing manufacturing plant in Johor, Malaysia. Our project involves using Cisco Packet Tracer to configure network devices such as switches and routers in various locations to form the LAN. Next, this table shows the location and each department in different building and the number of hosts required for each building and for the growth need for subnet for each department are the same, which is 20%. Then the next is addressing design. In our network design, we have choose the BRSN to for our network communication. One of the primary benefits of BRSN is its ability to efficiently allocate IP addresses, thus reducing waste and conserving address space by allowing for subnets of varying size. BRSN can accommodate the specific needs of different parts of the network, which optimize performance and scalability. Additionally, BRSN can simplify network management by reducing the complexity of subnetting, making it easier to troubleshoot and allocate resources. In our design scenario, we plan to separate and allocate each independent subnet for each department. Each department will consist of various end devices such as PC, laptop, server, or printers, which will be connected using the straight-through cable. Okay. Okay. Next is the calculation for 20% growth. The table shows the location, each department, and the number of hosts required for each department. Then the growth need for subnet is host required multiplied by zero point 0.2, and the total host required is number of hosts required plus growth need for subnet. Then next one. Next one is the calculation of the first largest subnet. We use this to show the calculation that we use to find the custom subnet mask, subnet address, first usable address, last usable address, and the broadcast address of the each department of the each in different building. And this is the table that we use to show all the department and the sub to show the subnet mask, subnet address, first usable address, last usable address, and a broadcast address of each department in a different. We use the different color to represent the different building. This is also the subnet table. Then third one is a addressing table. A each each building we have we total have a three router using by the four building which where the building C and building D using the same router and the building A is using a one router, building B is using a one router, and in each building each department have their own switch. Then the SSD table is show all the interface, IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and a link device of the router. Then the next one is the show the switch, the interface of a switch, IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and a link device. Then next is the department. We have list out all the de- all the end device of each department. Then we show the interface, IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. This is also the department of each building. Then next one is overall network topology. In this network, in this network topology, we use the fiber optic cable to connect router to router. Then for PC, all the end device to the switch, we use the straight to cable, and also for the switch to the router, we also use the straight to cable. The next one is building A topology. In building A, we use the different color to represent the different floor of the building. The next one is building B. Building B, we also use the different color to represent the different floor to have a clearly show the department. In the building C, we use the same color because they have the same floor. And the last one is building D. We use two different color to represent the different floor of each department. Okay.
Okay. Hi, I'm Gao Xinglong. I will continue to present our assignment. The next is the network configurations. So this is the first one is the set password for the router and the switch. We already set the hosting for the router and the switch. For example, the router 0, the hosting is the R0. The switch 0, we set up the hosting is the S0. We also set up the password is a Cisco 2024, and the secret is the class 2024. And the banner MOTD is the Sri Muda Grove Sin Sandrian Berhad engineer access only for router and the switch. So now I will demonstrate the how to enter the password and the secret. So is this the switch? So I exit. So I enter the password Cisco 2024, and also the secret is class 2024. So this is the password and the Cisco secret. So the next is the next is configure IP address for the router and the switch. This is the demo for the router. This is the example for the router and the switch. So we set up the IP address and the subnet mask for the router for the all router, and the switch we set up the IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway for the all switch. Yes. So this is a IP configuration IP address for the end device in each department. So the next is the pin connectivity. We use the three type pin to to present the pin connectivity. The first one is the pin to the same subnet mask. The second is the pin to the different subnet mask but same router. The third is a pin to the different subnet mask and the different router. So now I will demonstrate how to print the. Okay. So now I want to print the PC1 to the PC3. This is the pin to the same subnet mask. So this is the IP address for the PC0. So here you can see the ping connectivity is already successful. So the second is I want to ping to the different subnet different subnets, but in same router. So I also using the PC1 ping to the PC3. So this is the PC3 IP address. So here you can see the ping connectivity is successful. So the next I want to ping to the ping to different subnet mask and the different router. So I also using the PC1 ping to the PC 15. So this is the IP address for PC 15. So here you can see the ping connectivity also the successful. So the next one is the digital resource use. The first one is Google Docs. We're using the Google Docs to write down our report. The second is WhatsApp. I using the WhatsApp to communicate with my teammate. The third is the YouTube. We using the YouTube to find some video to fix our problem. The fourth is the Cisco packet tracer. We're using a Cisco packet tracer to create our network topology. The fifth is the Google Docs, Google Chrome. We're using a Google Chrome to find some resource. The sixth is the Google Classroom. We're using the Google Classroom to retrieve the lastly information from the lecturer about the assignment. The second the seventh is the Google Docs. We're using the Google to store our file such as the Google Docs. The eighth is the Google Meet. We're using the Google Meet to present our assignment like now. Okay, the ninth is the Google Shell. We're using Google Shell to create our VLMS table. The 10th is the Dembicam. We're using the Dembicam to record our present. The 7th is the live shot. We're using a live shot to screenshot some image. The last is the Wondershare. Wondershare, we use the Wondershare to edit our video. Okay, that's all. That's all is our presentation. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.